Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Be optimistic. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here with IELTS speaking part 1, May to August 2020, latest questions along with their sample answers. And in my previous video, I provided you list of fillers and connectors which are really useful in order to boost your scores in IELTS speaking. If you haven't watched that video, then you can get the link in description box. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get immediate notification regarding my videos upload. And must like my videos if you learn something useful, and don't forget to share with your friends as well. So let's dive into today's concept without wasting your precious time right now. Today we will discuss about photos in running. So our first topic is photos. And first question, do you like to take photos? It means कि तुसे pictures click करना पसंद करते हो. Of course I do. I'm photo freak by nature. I love to take photos of landscapes with buildings, people, animals, trees. Moreover, taking photos is my ultimate stress reliever. Of course, is a connector over here. I do. हाँ मैं पसंद करती हूँ. It means I'm photo freak. Photo freak means a person who love to take photos by nature. And I love to take pictures of all these things: people, buildings, landscapes, animals, trees. And ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ moreover is another connector which is used to add more information कि like ਇਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ stress buster ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ like stress ਨੂੰ easily remove ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ ਹਾਂ. Right, next question is how often do you take photos? कि अक्सर ਤੁਸੀਂ कदों photos ਲੈਂਦੇ हो? How often? Right, well there is no any particular time. Actually, it depends upon my mood. Whenever I come across any fascinating thing in my surroundings, I prefer to capture that in my mobile. On top of it, I take pictures of people, especially of my loved ones, during special events such as birthdays, wedding, graduation, and family reunion. Well, there is no particular time means कोई fixed time नहीं है. Actually ये मेरे mood पे depend करता. Whenever means ਜਦੋਂ भी I come across is a phrase that means whenever I see or whenever I find कि ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਵਧੀਆ ਚੀਜ਼ fascinating means interesting ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਿਖਾਈ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ surroundings means ਮੇਰੇ near by, ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੈਪਚਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਸੰਦ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ. On top of it is another connector in order to add information that we have already discussed in the previous video. On top of it, I take pictures. ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ loved ones means ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ family members like ਮੇਰੇ kith and kins ਦੀਆਂ pictures ਲੈਂਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ special events ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ such as birthday, wedding, graduation and family reunion. Right. So guys, our next question is how do you store photos? Mean ਤੁਸੀਂ photos ਨੂੰ store ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ? Usually I store photos on Google Drive. I'm really grateful for this type of technology. Owing to this, there's no need to worry about storage issues, and these photos can be accessed from anywhere at any time. Sometimes I also take printouts of my favorite pictures and hang those on the walls of my home. Is usually means आमतौर पे मैं photos ਨੂੰ Google Drive ਤੇ store करदी ਹਾਂ, or you can say on iCloud. It depends upon your mobile, right? And I'm really grateful means मैं really thankful ਹਾਂ ਇਦਾਂ ਦੀ technology ਦੇ ਲਈ. Owing to this means ਇਸ ਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ कि ਹੁਣ there is no need to worry about means कोई भी like storage issues like the space pictures, because as you know that pictures occupy the space means ਹੁਣ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ worry ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈਂਦੀ. I can easily store these on Google Drive and photos ਨੂੰ ਕਿਤੋਂ ਵੀ access ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ time access ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਤੇ even ਕਦੇ-ਕਦੇ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ favorite photos ਦੇ printouts ਵੀ ਲੈਂਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ home ਦੀਆਂ walls ਤੇ hang ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ. Right. So next one is, do you prefer to take photos of yourself or have other people to take your photos? Means ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ pictures click ਆਪਣੀਆਂ pictures ਆਪ click ਕਰਨਾ ਪਸੰਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਦੂਜੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ prefer ਕਰਦੇ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ pictures click ਕਰਨ. Right. Mostly I take this responsibility upon myself because I'm proficient to capture jaw-dropping pictures, whereas I feel that most people don't have any idea what makes a good photo, and they end up taking unflattering photos of me. Mostly means ज़्यादातर I take this responsibility upon myself कि ज़्यादातर responsibility मैं अपने आप पे लेनी है. means मैं आपे pictures click करती हूँ because मैं proficient means a person who is skilled at doing something, कि मैं skilled हैगी हाँ pictures jaw dropping means amazing pictures click ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੈ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ able ਹਾਂ. ਤੇ ਵੇਅਰਸ ਤੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾਤਰ ਲੋਕ ਨੇ ਮੋਸਟ ਪੀਪਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਈਡੀਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਗੁੱਡ ਪਿਕਚਰਸ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਉਹ ਵਧੀਆ ਪਿਕਚਰਸ ਕਲਿੱਕ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਦੇ ਐਂਡ ਅਪ ਟੇਕਿੰਗ ਅਨਫਲੈਟਰਿੰਗ ਮੀਨਸ ਲਾਈਕ ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਸੇ ਅਗਲੀ ਉਹ ਬੈਡ, ਐਂਡ ਉਹ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾਤਰ ਮੇਰੀਆਂ ਲਾਈਕ ਬੈਡ ਪਿਕਚਰਸ ਹੀ ਕਲਿੱਕ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਮੀਨਸ ਉਹ ਵਧੀਆ ਪਿਕਚਰਸ ਕਲਿੱਕ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਕੈਪੇਬਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. ਰਾਈਟ. So our next topic is running, and first question is, do you like running? Means कि तुसी running करना पसंद करते हो? Yes, indeed. I prefer to go for running on daily basis because from my childhood, my parents stimulated me to run. I reckon it is one of the best activities to be fit as a fiddle. Yes, indeed. हाँ, असल which like it is true. Means indeed like it is true. And I prefer to go for running. मैं daily running ਲਈ ਜਾਣਾ ਪਸੰਦ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ parents ਨੇ childhood ਤੋਂ stimulate means encourage ਕੀਤਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ encourage ਕੀਤਾ running ਦੇ ਲਈ I reckon means I think ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ one of the best activity ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ healthy ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ help ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ right fit as a fiddle is an idiom that means to be in very good health right or guys it is a personal choice question you can also go for no as you can say that no I'm not into running because I think this activity needs lot of efforts and due to which I assert that running is not my cup of tea, right? It depends upon you. And next question is when was the last time you went for a run? Means last time to see running ਲਈ ਕਦੋਂ ਗਏ ਸੀ? Well, today morning I went for running in the park that is located at a stone's throw from my home and I spent near about 30 minutes there. Well, ਅੱਜ today morning ਅੱਜ morning ਮੈਂ running ਲਈ ਗਈ ਸੀ park ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ at a stone's throw is another idiom that means at very short distance means ਸਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਤੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਨੇੜੇ located ਹੈ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਉੱਥੇ near about 30 minutes spend ਕੀਤੇ and this activity helped me to rejuvenate my mind right and next one is do you like to watch running competitions on TV ਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ TV ਤੇ running competitions ਦੇਖਣੇ ਪਸੰਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ honestly I find it fairly boring to watch most running events, but sometimes I have to watch these type of shows along with my brother, reluctantly, who's a good sprinter. Honestly, is another connector that we use if we are going to give answer in no, as I explained about in my yesterday's video. It means कि मैनू running competitions ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦੇਖਣੇ ਆ ਨਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ boring ਲੱਗਦੇ ਆ ਪਰ ਸਮਟਾਈਮਸ ਕਦੇ ਕਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਸ਼ੋਜ਼ ਦੇਖਣੇ ਪੈਂਦੇ ਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਬ੍ਰਦਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੈਕਟੈਂਟਲੀ ਮੀਨਸ ਅਨਵਿਲਿੰਗਲੀ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਗੁੱਡ ਸਪ੍ਰਿੰਟਰ ਮੀਨਸ ਅ ਗੁੱਡ ਐਥਲੀਟ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲੀ ਫॉर ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਡਿਸਟੈਂਸ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇੱਕ ਐਥਲੀਟ ਆ ਸਪ੍ਰਿੰਟਰ ਇਜ਼ ਅਨਦਰ synonym for athlete right So guys, our next question is have you done any long distance running? ਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ long distance running ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ? ਮੈਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ long distance ਤੱਕ run ਕੀਤਾ ਕਦੇ? Yes, once I got an opportunity to run for long distance. I vividly remember when I was in 10th standard, there was a sports competition in my school. At that time, I took part in 200-meter race in which I got third position and I felt overjoyed. Means हाँ एक बार ਮੈਨੂੰ opportunity ਮਿਲੀ ਸੀ long distance running ਦੇ ਲਈ I vividly means clearly ਮੈਨੂੰ clearly ਯਾਦ ਆ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ 10th standard ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ sports competition ਸੀਗਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ 200 meter race ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ participate ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਰੀ third position ਆਈ I felt overjoyed means ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ happy ਸੀ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੇ right and it is again a personal choice question if you haven't taken part in any long distance running then you can also say that no I have never been a part of long distance running because as I told you earlier that it is I consider running quite difficult as well as a boring activity and I think it needs a lot of efforts right and next question is your hometown has a good place of running means ki thode hometown de vich koi vadiya place hai running de liye yeah in our hometown there is a scenic park with soft and even surface running paths moreover in my living area Jingetic playground is located where racetracks are present. Yeah, is yes. In our hometown, there is scenic means are like a natural beauty. Park with soft and even surface means soft and even surface ਆ ਕੋਈ humps नहीं कोई potholes नहीं running means जिथे easily running हो सकती है moreover ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਮੇਰੇ living area ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ Mediatic means very big playground ਆ ਜਿਥੇ race tracks available right and next and last question for this topic is do you think running is a good way to stay healthy Yes, it is because there are innumerable benefits of running as it assists us to build strong bones, strengthen muscles, improve stamina, and burn calories. And besides this, it is a kind of exercise that is easy to do and everyone can do it without buying any special equipment. Sadly, it's not everyone's cup of tea. Yes, it is means हाँ ये हैगी है because it numerable means many benefits हैगे है as it assist means help we have used this word many times, so I haven't highlighted it this time. Assist means help to build strong bones. muscles and stamina improve कर दिया, calories burn कर दिया, right? Beside this means ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਇੱਕ ਇਦਾਂ ਦੀ exercise ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ easy ਹੈ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ without buying any special equipment, but sadly कि ਇਹ it is not everyone's cup of tea is again an idiom. That means it is not liked by everyone, or it is not enjoyed by everyone, right? So this is all about running and photos. I hope that it would be useful for you. So guys, let's have a look at the vocab words that we have used in today's video. First one is photo freak. That means a person who love to take photos. Second one is proficient. That means a competent or a skilled in doing or using something, as I used it at this work, like photography, that I'm proficient in taking jaw-dropping pictures, right? Proficient means a person that is capable of doing something in perfect way, right? Next one is unflattering. That means ugly or bad, as you know. Stimulate means encourage. Reckon means think. Come across means meet or find by chance. Jaw-dropping means amazing. Reluctantly means unwillingly, means without interest, or we can say, right? Sprinter means an athlete who races over short distances. Gigantic means very big. Vividly means clearly. Innumerable means many. Assist means help. Scenic means providing or relating to the views of impressive or beautiful natural scenery, right? So these all were the vocab words that we have used today, and come across is a phrase, right? That means to meet or find by chance. And today we have used three idioms. First one is fit as a fiddle, that means in very good health. Next one is at a stone's throw, that means at a short distance. And last one is cup of tea, that is something you like, something you're good at, or something you enjoy doing. If you are, it can be used for positive or negative both. If you want to use it in negative sense, then we use a not before this, right? So guys, that's all. I hope that this video session would be useful for you. If you learn something useful, don't forget to press the like button. And if you face any difficulty in this sample answer or in any of your ALS module, then you can let me know by typing in the comment box or by dropping a mail to my Gmail account. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Keep sporting. Be optimistic. Bye bye. Take care.